Very good morning to all. Today we are discussing about mobile phones are good or bad, its positive effect and negative impact. According to me, mobile phones are not good and they have many disadvantages. Advantages are also there, but we do not know how to take the advantages out by using mobile phone. Most of us, we don't know how to operate it because there is a certain time limit that we should fix for ourselves, but we're not doing it. So we are not wisely using this device. This device can be majorly beneficial for us, but rather to make some benefit from this, we are making the huge number of losses in a day. Operating social media and searching the content and watching the videos and throughout the day, and we are wasting our most of valuable time that can be utilized in doing some creative work and study. So mobile phones are a device, and but we are misusing more. So therefore I can say that mobile phones are not good. Mobile phones are good only for those who know how to operate it in a proper way. Otherwise it is destructive device. Thank you.
As you said, mobile phone are not good, but mobile phone made communication are very easy to communicate with friends, family and family member. And mobile phone have lots of feature. We have audio, video, everything. We can do everything with us. In Corona times, we study by mobile phone, so it can help us.
Okay. Beyond the study, if you're using your mobile phone if for the educational purpose, it is very good, right? But how many of us we just give our more valuable time to study? We are going to YouTube. There is every kind of content available at the YouTube, right? But we are just giving our more time watching comedy videos. You should watch it, but there should be a certain time limit fixed, right? You like normally the uses of any individual, you see 5 to 6 hours spending on mobile phone. This 5 to 6 hours, it is more time, right? 1 hour, 1.5 hour, it is sufficient. So you should control your habits using mobile phone, because you do not have habit of operating a mobile phone. It is just the addiction is somewhat a strong habit. You cannot control yourself. When you are studying and you're going through the mobile phones, there is less content which is not controllable by you. Like when you are searching anything for your information for your education purpose, suddenly you got the notification and you just go on the social networking Facebook and counting the number of comments on the like, your valuable time is wasted. So it is proven as the distractive device for us. If you switch off your mobile phone for one day, so you have ample of time, you have ample of relaxation in a day.
As you said, this is also correct. But some students are not doing this. They cannot use Facebook, Insta. They only study on YouTube. They study more and more. They get noise by the YouTube. They study by the books, so they can't understand the topic. So he search out the topics and study. This is also good.
Using mobile phone with this way for educational purpose, it is good, but very few of us are doing it. Very rarely we are doing it.
Mobile is good because it is village people is do not longer is coaching and college and student to video and YouTube video, and can you see anything, and any question is search to YouTube and Google, and classes, online class, and is it, can you problem to this call to her and him. So with mobile is good, believe people.
Mobile phone are very good. जैसे
Like
if we go out some places, we can call our parents. We go out some places, we go our friend's house, we go anywhere, so we can call our relative also, everything. If we lost somewhere, we can call.
okay, to be in touch of those our near and dear ones, it is a nice thing. If you have a mobile phone, they can be in touch of you, but beyond that, there are many people, they are talking on mobile phone and they're going on the road, crossing the roads and driving. So it can be very dangerous. Before some time I may have shared with you, there was a girl going and crossing the railway track and she had earphone plugged into her ear and she could not listen what people said. They were crying just to get her away from the railway track, but the train crushed that girl. So there are many accidents which are occurring, which are taking place, and many people, they are losing their lives in that. So we should also think about it when you go out of your home. So it is a very good device to be in touch of others, to be in touch of our parents and relatives and your friends, and there is less time involved when you want to contact and communicate with anyone. So it is a very good advantage, we can have it. But many people, they are found misusing it 24/7. They have mobile phone, they keep checking the notification and that. So it is just the addiction, it is not good.
As we see, if someone lost, so phone has a Google Map and a device, we can see and find out the ones.
Some people misuse the mobile because some people is useful mobile because new activities learn and update the video and new creativity upload video, click the photo many places and Facebook upload and Instagram upload is we don't know how to place, so we can see places.
You just upload any content and you create any content.
Yes.
If you are making money out of it, it is best, you should do it, because you are creating a very good career option along with the study. Even if you are a student, you are shooting the videos and putting on the YouTube, it is a very good art and very good skills to know, and it will help you in the long run. And this is the another career option you can create, and you'll never be bored. Fine. But you know what, many of us, we are not creatively using mobile phones. Reason why we are investing our lots of money, even 1,000 of 20,000 50,000 of money, rupees we are spending buying a mobile phone, but we have only 2 or 3 applications which we are using: Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, capturing the photos and posting on the social networking to get the comments and likes. 90 or 80% of the time that goes of the youngsters and counting the number of comments on the likes. So it is not a very good option. As you said, it is okay constructively for earning purpose, you are using a mobile phone, it is good. Otherwise, like spending on the mobile phone, it is just a foolishness when it is not giving you anything in return.
Nowadays, we earn money by the mobile phone. We work on the Meesho, we work on the online working shop, we work on the YouTube. Many more apps we can work and earn it. So it can help it our home.
mobile phone the new activities achieve in the like study the best example and arts and how to preparing food and stitching etc.
If we want to learn something, we can search on it, how to stitching, how to everything, how to painting, we can learn by it.
I think mobile is used for any learning purpose, for educational purpose, it is good. But you know, mobile is a rather more necessary option for the youngsters today, especially I'm talking about youngsters. They think they should use mobile phone because it gives them pleasure. Because if they get away with the mobile phone in the morning when they are waking up, they are using the mobile phone. In the night when they are sleeping, they are using the mobile phone. There are radiation and there is blue light which is affecting your hormone that is called melatonin. So it disturbs your sleeps and you have many sleeping disorders and you have just tiredness all around it. So this is also we need to consider when you just meet with anyone. So keep your eye contact with that person, not all the way keeping your mobile phone checked. And so these are not some good activities where you see earlier if five people they sat with each other, they used to talk. They used to talk something creative, right? And but there are five people sitting and they are operating a mobile phone. They are not listening to each other. So our social fabric, our social skills of communicating with each other's emotions, they cannot understand because they are giving their less time understanding people. They are spending their more time with mobile. Now you can find some smartphones, they have started talking to human, right? Some artificial intelligent concept, that is you can talk to your mobile phone. But I just fail to understand, you need people in your life to communicate. You are spending more time with your mobile phone than your parents. You are not going to them and talking.
Parent responsibility to boy and girls is to take the mobile and do you work mobile to take the mobile parent.
I think parents are very harsh and too strict. Neither they should be too strict nor very liberal, right? Parents, they are not offering their children mobile phone when they want the mobile phone most. You know, mobile phone that can be an additional impact in their study. It can be beneficial. The content which is very tough to understand through the books, right? You can understand by operating YouTube. There are some sites or application that are educating you Vedantu and Byju's, right? We talked about it. So like you can study there, and the study is very entertaining there. There are some graphics, right? There are some animations. You can learn better. So what books can't teach you? So like if children they're demanding their parents just to buy them a mobile phone, the parents are getting very stubborn and very strict because they know that children, they do not know the proper use of the mobile phone. Beyond that, they'll be getting engaged and wasting their time. The time is very valuable, you should not waste it. But the children, they can't understand, and it is very difficult for the parents to explain them. And you know what, the one thing which we find surprising, if child who doesn't take food, right, mothers are luring the child saying, if you take this food, you'll be offered a mobile to use for an hour. So like this has become a tool of manipulation. This is not a technical device, this is a manipulative device.
As you said, this is correct. Make the timetable of using mobile phone and check by parents also.
I think students, it is very difficult to follow the plans. Students, they are found lagging in making plans and sticking with it. There are many times you are planning to study from the next sem, the beginning of the next sem, but we are not doing. Studying from Monday, we are not doing it. We are having so many plans we are making and we are writing to, right? It is very good to make the plans, but sticking with the plans, it is a very good thing. You can do it. So like making a plan to operate a mobile phone, you just set a plan to operate mobile phone 2 hours a day, but you end up using 4 hours a day. So what and who will compensate this 2 hours loss? When you just go to study, you want to study for 2 hours and every single seconds or the minute you count. When you go to use a mobile phone, let's just say after studying you got mobile phone in your hand, there is no time fixed.
Yes, sir. But sir, us alone people the depression, but and operating while is the not depression में नहीं जाता था.
Yes.
And alone any other thinking like
You know, like I don't know from where you got this data, but as I have come across with the information related to the mobile phone, if you use a mobile phone for the longer duration, maybe like you may suffer from the problem like depression, because when you use mobile phone, you just escape away from your people, right? You're not talking, you don't have to talk to the people, you're just engaged and you're chatting with the people. So it is always better to just go face to face and communicate and conversate. It just build up your communication and social skills. But rather going to be physically present and talking to the people, you prefer the mobile phone is the easiest option for you to chat with others. it is very good to use a mobile phone for the communication point of view, but it is very dangerous when you completely depend upon that. Where many people, many of us, we are doing it, it is not good.
Student is a mobile is a good because is a student go to after install is a college and school study to purpose. So contact the parents, so created the money, give the money and face it to problem and talking to any other person and family member any problem share to college and school life.
If we have no television in our house and we want to watch a match, so we can watch on Hotstar VIP and many other apps we can see.
This is everything we can use and we can watch on a mobile phone, but I just want to ask, is this a thing you want in your life? Watching movies, watching like songs or watching cricket match on Hotstar, it is okay, but not all the time, whole day long you are doing it. You
Not
just
as
yeah.
entertainment.
For entertainment purpose, mobile phone is a good device, but we have more entertainment than some good things that we can make in our career. You're a student, you're studying. How much time you give to your study? You can postpone your study, but you cannot postpone the timing of using mobile phone. This happens.
Yes. Mobile is be not impact to yourself.
But how can we save ourselves from the impact of the mobile phone? You know what? A mobile phone that has become a social status, and the talking of the town, whenever two persons they are meeting with each other, rather to just ask about themselves and asking about their career, they are talking about their mobile phones, what megapixel and this. We have so many compromises in our life, but we cannot compromise with a feature of mobile phone. When you go to market and you need 50 megapixel camera, there is no compromise. You cannot be happy buying a mobile phone with 48 megapixel of camera. 2 megapixel cannot be compromised, and we are compromising with our health, our posture that has been destroyed, and our posture that has been disbalanced. So we should also need to think about it. Many lifestyle diseases which are coming due to the wrong postures, and many cervical injuries and many health issues are occurring related to the wrong posture, and mobile phone has destroyed our posture. There are many problems related to the neuro, right? So this is all what is happening.
As you said, this is correct. More and more use of mobile can cause diseases, more and more diseases. But we can make a timetable, so use follow the timetable.
I think it is just a manipulative act. You must have to use the mobile phone because you cannot be separated from the mobile phone. Your friends, family members, everybody is having a mobile phone. Like when you want to use the mobile phone, just use it. Do not let mobile phone use you. This is what is happening. We cannot leave the mobile phone. What is this? This should be our choice. Mobile phone, it is just a device, lifeless device, right? And whole world, this is the compact device, whole world that is concised in that, right? So this is our call, this is our choice whether we want to use it and when we want to use it and how much time you decide for using it. So you should let it be operated like this. But if mobile phone uses that goes out of control, so it becomes very dangerous for you, and you end up operating a mobile phone for so many hours, you make nothing out of it.